My last and final one, family, is communicating project status to senior management. Again, as I said before, every organization I've ever been in, it's you have to be careful with giving too much information too soon. You need to be able to have that information organized in a way where that you can articulate it, and someone should be able to know exactly where your project is at. If you're on schedule, behind schedule, if you're on cost or you're behind cost, uh, if you're in scope or without a scope, and what the quality is. Like those are the iron triangle. They should be able to understand that. And again, if they want to know more, then you open the door up for further questions and you're prepared because, as I stated, you'll have various tabs open. Anyway, family, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Again, this is really good. This translates over to non-technical project managers as well. But today my emphasis was on technical project managers because there's always a question like, what do they do? All these things that I talked about, they have to do, and sometimes more than a non technical project manager, because due to the fact that there's so many moving pieces, like I talked about the dependency aspect of things. So I'll wrap it up, family. You know my motto, you know my slogan. If you don't, I appreciate you. I hope you appreciate me, and I hope you appreciate today's episode. Until next time, I'm out.